Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we shall study Class 11, Subject English, Textbook, Hornbill, Lesson 3. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Part 3. Children, you remember this lesson was written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. In part 1st and 2nd, we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we will do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, word meaning. Children, you will write meaning of these English words in Hindi. Afraid means डरना. Die means मरना. Captain means कप्तान. Famous means प्रसिद्ध. Dream means सपना. Question number 2, write T for true and F for false. Students, you will write T for correct sentence or F for wrong sentence. The narrator is 35 years of old businessman. Children, is it true? No, it's not true. He was 37 years old. So, we will write F in the bracket. Question number 3, take the correct alternative. You have to choose one correct option and write here. In dash 1976, the narrator set sail from Plymouth, England. Correct answer is July. So, we will write A in the bracket. Question number 4, answer the following question. Describe the mental condition of the voyagers on 4th January. Answer, by January 4, they were able to pump out most of the water that had flooded in. They had their first meal in almost 2 days. So, children, Now we have done question answers of this lesson. Now you will see summary and question answer of this lesson and do the homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Write missing letter in the following words. Children, you have to write missing letters in these blanks to make a word. For example, A dash R dash ID. What will we write? A F R A I D. Afraid. Afraid means डरना. In the same way, you will fill all these blanks. Question number 2. Write T for true and F for false. The narrator's wife's name was Mary. Write the answer yourself. Question number 3. Tick the correct alternative. Overboard dash or 23 meter 30 ton wooden beauty had been professionally built. Choose the correct answer and write in bracket. Question number 4. Answer the following question. What difference did you notice between the reaction of the adults and the children when they faced with danger? Write the answer yourself. So students, now we have completed this lesson. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.